Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by installing and signing into NordVPN. This gives the app the keys to change your network identity. Once done, make sure the app has permission to modify network settings so the VPN can route traffic. You should verify your subscription and credentials now because an expired plan blocks server switches. Finally, enable Kill Switch and DNS leak protection in settings. These prevent leaks while you change locations and ensure the new IP is applied securely. Now you pick the destination. You can select a country, city, or a specialty server depending on whether you need streaming access or maximum privacy. Specialty servers optimize protocols and ports. Once you choose, click Connect and monitor the app until it reports an active session. After connection, run the NordVPN IP check and built-in speed test to verify your public IP and performance. If latency is high, switch to a nearby city server to balance speed and location requirements. To finish, validate the location by visiting an IP lookup and then access the site or service you needed. This proves the change. If the service blocks VPNs, switch to obfuscated servers or use a dedicated IP to avoid detection. Make sure Kill Switch stays enabled to protect traffic during switches. If something fails, restart the NordVPN app, toggle protocol between UDP and TCP, or reconnect to a different server. These quick fixes solve most connection and routing issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.